Alright, so let's simplify this. So we are given cube root of 64 x raised 6 minus first root of 81 x raised 8 plus square root of 25 x raised 4. Okay, so when we're given n raised to 1 on 3, the same as cube root of n. So in general, n raised to 1 on k will be the kth root of n. As simple as that. Alright, so we have this one 64 x raised 6 as 64 raised to 1 on 3 minus 81 x raised 8 4 plus, so we have 25 x all raised to half. As simple as that. So 64 is the same as 4 to the power 3 x raised 6. So we have 3 to the power 4 x to the power 8 raised to that plus 5 squared x to the power 4. Okay, so let me put that power here. So let's multiply the powers by what is outside. So we have 4 to the power 3 times 1 on 3 x to the power 6 times 1 on 3 minus 10 to the power 4 times 1 on 4 x to the power 8 times 1 on 4 5 squared times that x to the power 4 times that. So this side will cancel and this side here too. So we have 4x squared here minus this one will cancel. Go here 2 minus 3x squared. This will cancel here 2 plus 5x squared. Okay, so we have something in common here. So x squared, x squared, x squared. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So we have 6x squared. As simple as that. All right.